So I'm kind of switching up my order. I normally go straight to Silver Moon, but I am at Lewisburg Antiques, and I'm excited because one of my favorite vendors, I know I say that to like so many people, but seriously, one of my favorite vendors that used to have a space in Sledworks now has a bunch of spaces up here, which is one of the reasons why I try to come here as frequently as I do. Plus, there's so many antique malls in a small space and the prices are so good. I mean, there's a lot of reasons actually why I come here, but let me stop talking and get inside. I have big FOMO, so I'm starting backwards. All right, let's see. 45 on the head vase, 55, 55, 55. Yep, what about the little skier? That one's $6. That's pretty interesting. I'm gonna pick that up. That's definitely different. All right, let me put this basket down. This is very convenient right here. The birds, $8. Look at these little cuckoo clocks. They're $20 each. That's really affordable. I'm not going to do it. Okay, what is this in the back with this graphic? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's, oh my God. Wow. It's an old, unused, with the graphic alone, $2. That is, wow, that, I can't even speak. I need to take a second after that one. What about this milk glass egg? $20. There's so many weird things. I love all these little hobbyist pieces. What about this rubber bear? I love him. I'm gonna grab that. What about this tin toy? This is probably gonna be expensive. $39 for a collector. That is a steal for me. It's more than I'd like to spend. Yeah, there's a lot of hobbyist pieces going on here. Oh, look at this funny thing with its big eyes, although the sun's probably blocking you. And Humpty Dumpty. What? Rubens Humpty Dumpty planter, and it's in good condition. I can't remember the last time I saw one of these that wasn't all cracked and chipped up with the paint all messed up. For $10, I am grabbing that. The frog is $20, unfortunately, so I'm gonna move on from that. More planters, please. The bear, $12. Oh my gosh, the duck. The duck is really fun. Unfortunately, it's got a bad hairline, and $12 is more than I want to spend on that bear. This is a really good price for this, but I've had it a few times, and I like this. When I looked at it last time, it was a little chipped, and I think these Italy ones are super fun, but I bought one the last time I was here, and it did not sell. Now, this Westmoreland white milk glass cat plate, this one's only $12. I wonder how that would do. I feel pretty confident in that, but I'm gonna look over here before I do. I see a little Kewpie. Shackman, $10. I'm gonna do that. That's a definitely older one, Japan. I'm kind of second guessing this. Not that it's a good deal, it's just, I don't know, there's something about it that's kind of bothering me the more I look at it, so I'm gonna put it back. Oh, these clown salt and pepper shakers. They almost look like Yona. $5, I'm gonna grab them. Those are really fun. I think they might be Yona, actually. And look at these little knee huggers. Those look newer though, right? The reproductions are so crazy these days, it's hard to tell you. I think those are newer. What about these? Look at you. Oh my gosh, and the little, I'm making a mess. I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry. $8, that's a really good price, but I think I'm gonna hold off. I love him. I wish his face was a little bit better off. Well, you know what I'm about to get into are these bisque. Oh, I hate that it's in a locked case. What is going on with these? Oh, of course, it's on cash discount only. I forgot. That's why I go in the order I do. I get cash at the other place. That is cute, but $28, no discount is not for me. I cannot stand when you only get a discount if you pay cash. I understand offering like 5% less, but oh, I hear keys. Hold on. Well, I picked out a few of the bisque figurines. Oh my gosh, look at these. $24. Yeah, I will say a lot of the other vendors here are pretty close to retail. $12.50. Yeah, I'm not seeing the cats. A single shake. What? Oh, they're 2 single shakers. That's wild. All right, no thanks. Here's that booth that's always so magically displayed. I can't lie, I'm a little mixed up from going the wrong way. I need to know how much the poodle shakers are, even though I'm sure it's gonna be retail. 20, yeah. It's a fair price for a collector. Oh, I love everything about this place. This booth, I mean, I should say. Well, that was kind of rude. You know what I mean. This hobbyist cat and the hobbyist salt and pepper shakers are epic too, but they're $20 each. Oh my gosh, look at the purple poodle. Oh, and you've got the long necks too. I love those. Oh my gosh, and this pig, $20. Oh, all right. What is that print in there? That is Little Jack Horner print. Huh. Oh, I guess you can't really see it. There you go. I can't lie, I'm about to lose interest. I've picked up so many things that I like along the way, but they've all been too pricey. Now, what is going on with these cats? With umbrella, I think they were 35 each. Yeah, they're 35 each. I thought they were 35 for the pair all of a sudden, and I was about to grab them. Noteworthy is this incredible Betty Boot pencil sharpener. I also love all the candy containers, but again, definitely at collector's prices. And these guys too, I know. Oh my gosh, this booth. Okay, I have to get in here. This is key-worthy. Look at the little bunny girl bone china costume. And then this little mini teacup with the pixie. I don't know if I can get much out of that out of resale, honestly. And now I see, of course, the stupid discount is 20%, only if you have cash. You know what, I think I'm just gonna leave. I couldn't feel like any more of a jerk. I feel so bad. Okay, so I ended up getting the little pixie cup. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell that or keep it. But I also got the little bunny bone china figurine. And I didn't say anything, and they still gave me the discount, and I feel like such a jerk. I feel so bad. I was like, I'm just gonna get these in checkout. But either way, I'm in a time crunch, and I'm gonna remember their kindness and my impatience when I come there next and bring cash. Gosh, I'm so embarrassed for being such a jerk, but whatever, I'm only human. I just got to the consignment barn. This is like 2 more stops after this, I think. I'm making great time. I'm finding some great stuff. I'm just kind of going with my first gut instinct and grabbing what I want and what I don't want, and just kind of like what I'm in the mood for, I guess, instead of just everything I could make money on. So I am in a time crunch to get back home for the live sale. Ooh, clown pin. That's kind of fantastic. I feel like I don't think I've ever had one. I've had a lot of poodle brooches recently. I kind of want to get the clown brooch. Oh, look, here's this fabulous cat. $4. Yeah, I'm going to get both of these. Let's see what else they got. Butterfly, turtle. The turtle, is that a skateboarding turtle? What? That's bizarre. I love it. Should I get this too? It's only $4. Oh my gosh, poodle! So it's another one of those situations where it's 50% cash or check only, but I think what I'm gonna do is maybe I'll just end up going across the street and getting cash and coming back and just putting my stuff here because it's directly across the street. I don't want to make a huge stink about it. Maybe they have an ATM in here. Yeah, so this one would be $7.50. Wait, now I did end up, hold on. So I did end up getting the skateboarding poodle, but I also found this ice cream cone, which looks a little bit on the newer side, probably 80s, 90s, but still, it's only $1. And this butterfly brooch, which I don't know, it might even be sterling, but that looks like turquoise and it's $2, so go ahead. Whoa, look, it's one of those like zebra printy ones. Oh, this one's got a broken tail. Let me make sure this one's not broken actually, because now that I'm looking, a lot of the kitschy stuff in here is broken. No, I don't see anything. These are kind of cool salt and pepper shakers though. Hand painted Nippon. Kind of Art Deco-esque. I don't see a price tag though. This is such a cool ashtray. Love that it's got that butterfly in it. 22, no discount though. Well, I see a couple things going on here. Normally, I feel like this case is locked. Oh, the little bird on the mushroom is 20. This poodle is only $4. So we will go ahead and grab that. Is that a little nick? It's got a tiny little, almost nick. I wouldn't even call it a nick. Oh, maybe it is a nick. I'm not gonna get it. It's got a nick. Hey, it's one of those thumb-sucking monkeys. This is a large size, too. I kind of stopped picking these up, but for $5, I'm gonna do it. I've been kind of selective because I feel like I sold a bunch of them recently, but $5 is super cheap. Well, in a land of retail or cheap retail price, it's $5 because it's broken. That's why I was like really excited about the price on that one. And then this is only $3. That's an awesome deal. That's great for whatnot. Love that green color too. Hand painted Bohemian glass. I'm gonna grab that. Speaking of plastic bangle, look at this crazy looking cuff. This is only $3. It's a little aggressive. Whoa, what's this one? As is. It's a sad little pink rabbit. I think for $3, I kind of have to get this, even if I don't keep it. It's definitely vintage. All right, let's see here. This looks like a Fenton cat, and it is $24 though. It's not as cheap as I thought it would be. One of these signature rando booths. I'm kind of into this necklace. It's a weird, yeah, it's kind of got that, oh, sorry, I cut myself when wrapping packages. Yeah, this thing's cool. It's only $2 too. Super lightweight. Let me make sure the clasp works before I get it. Yeah, it's one of those vintage twisty clasps. That's perfect. I think that's really fun. Whoa. This thing's kind of wild. Huh. Really interesting looking. I kind of love it. I feel like it might be probably new, but 15. What's interesting to me is the bottom. It's not flat. I kind of want to get it just because it's kind of psychedelic, but I'm a little uncertain. I think I'm going to pass. They were nice enough to give me 40% instead of 50% on the poodle. Oh, that was really sweet of them. I love saving every minute I can save because I spend so much time out here. Now, I am going to go ahead and go across the street. Only 2 more stops. I think I actually can pull it off today. I haven't looked at traffic. I don't want to know. I'm just going to keep going. I'll see you guys when I get there.